Yo, 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 yo. Guys, pumutok yung headset ko, guys. Malos.
Yo, what is up guys? Ako nga pala si Owak at ngayong araw ay maglalaro na naman tayo ng panibagong Roblox game. At itong Roblox game na to ay tinatawag na Home Alone Anomalies. So makikita natin ngayong araw kung ano nga ba ang iba't ibang anomalies may encounter natin sa ating bahay na ito. By the way guys, mag-isa nga pala tayo dito no at iiwan tayo ng magulang natin. So meron tayong mga task at kailangan natin bantayan kung may mga anomalies ba na pupunta sa bahay natin. So bago tayo mag-start, tignan muna natin kung ano mga nangyari sa laro na to. So let's go!
What the heck, bro? Hey, yo! They're not answering. They've been dead for... Oh, hell no. Ito ba yun? Oh, hell no. Hey, yo. Hey, 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 hey. Di pa kita pinapapasok ah. Aray, 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 aray.
Go to your room.
Hey, hey. Uy! I don't give a single shit. Uy! What the heck? Ay, no. Bro. Hey! Oh! Kaya pala may malaking ano. Hey, yo. Yun, buwang tan. Hey, naku po, 6 na. Guys, tara guys. Ano, tara? Tara guys. Tara, pre, dito tayo. Tara, simulan na agad to. Simulan na ang bakbak natin. Mag-isa lang tayo pala dito. Pero kailangan nating mag-ingat kasi ito ay Home Alone Anomalies. Mag-isa lang tayo. So, ito ang ating bahay pala, no?
At 6 a.m.
Okay, 6 a.m. You'll be okay. I left yours on board. Okay, may gagawin tayo. You need to earn your allowance money before I get home. If someone knocks, don't open right away. Okay? Look through the front door glass. Check the cameras on your laptop. Okay? Listen to what they're saying. Help the people who really need it and you'll earn your allowance money. Okay? Let the wrong ones in and you'll know. Oh! Something doesn't look or sound right. Turn off the porch light and they'll leave. Okay? Have a good night. Take care of that. Okay? Papatay natin yung ilaw pag may nakita tayong hindi okay. Okay? Use the camera to detect anomaly. Asan yung camera?
Broke up with me.
Wow! Naku po, nakipag-iwala yung boyfriend niya sa kanya. Can I use tissues in your bathroom? Teka lang, di kita kilala. Wait lang, asan yung camera?
Don't leave.
Anong don't leave me?
Alone.
What the heck, bro? Hey, yo! Bro! Hell no, bro. Okay, wala nang tao. Ngayon, meron tayong gagawin dito. Kailangan natin makakollect ng $160 before 6 a.m. Okay, anong oras na ba? Wala tayong orasan eh. So, sabi dito, if you hear footsteps, it's just probably just the building settling. The babysitter is coming tonight. Be in your room when she arrives, okay? You got a delivery pizza coming. Eventually let him in, okay? Okay, sino to? I got lost walking home. Okay, are you okay? I don't know where am I. Can you bring me your phone so I can call home? Okay, asan na yung phone? Ay, hindi pala. Okay, check natin kung anomaly siya, guys, ha. Tingnan natin dito sa laptop. Please don't leave me out here. Bro, bala ka dyan. Titignan natin kung anomaly siya, guys. Uy, mukhang di naman siya anomaly. Okay, guys, gagawa tayo ng decision dito, ha. Ako, ang tingin ko dito, hindi siya anomaly. Ay, no, normal looking siya. At kailangan niya ng tulong, di ba? So, ano tingin niyo, guys? Papasokin natin. Okay.
Thank you.
I will get you my phone, okay? Diyan ka lang ha, diyan ka lang ha. Okay, pupuntahan natin yung phone. Here, okay? Ibigay natin sa kanya, okay? Ma'am, can you come get me? Okay? Pinatawagan niya na yung airmats niya, guys. They're not answering. They never do. They've been dead for... Oh, hell no. Tinawagan niya yung magulang niya, guys, pero patay. Hindi pala yung magulang niya. Okay, kaya na natin yan. Wala nang ibang bisita. Meron tayong gagawin dito. Make some coffee, $2. Practice the piano, $2. Clean the windows, $4. Mop the floor, $3. So, una muna, make some coffee. Para tayo gagawa ng kape. Kape, here. Okay, ito ba yun? Yun yung tao kanina. Wait lang. Nagawa lang ako ng kape, boy. Jessica Marie. I know you're in there. Oh, hell no. Ako, hiramin na naman yung cellphone, guys. Uy, binalik mo niya yung cellphone ko? Kanina? Hindi ko alam, ha. Tingnan natin, guys.
Scared.
Okay, meron tayo night vision. Okay. Ba't ba natin siyang papasukin? Wala akong tiwala sa kanya.
Hey, you wanna help me?
Wala akong tiwala, sorry. Hey, yo. Okay, paano tayo gagawa ng kape? Kailangan natin gumawa ng kape. Okay. Ito. Okay. Here. Lagyan natin dito. Start. Adjust the heat. Okay, adjust.
Okay.
Task complete. Okay, okay na yung unang task natin. Bibigyan tayo ng pera nun ba? Wait lang, guys. I'm here to check on you. Sino to? Hey. Di pa kita pinapapasok ah. Hello?
Your room is this way.
Aray.
Time. Your parents said no wandering around.
Okay, ito na.
Serious. Go to your room. I'm leaving. Don't make me come back.
Ano yun? Nasaan na siya? Hey! Uy! Guys, wait lang guys. Ang gulo na ng bahay. Mag-aaral lang ako ng piano. Okay, tapos na yung piano. Guys, dalawa na yung na-complete natin. Ang gulo ng bahay. Wait lang. We didn't order pizza. Okay, anomaly ba siya? Wait lang, wala akong tiwala sa kanya guys. Ayoko.
Whatever, it's already paid for anyway.
Wala akong tiwala sa'yo, sorry pre. Clean the windows, okay? Tara. Naku guys, napakagulo. Okay, clean. Okay, check. Pangatlo, check. Naku po. Isa pa. Okay, check. Gulo ng bahay, guys. Ayan. Ngayon, tatlo na ang ating task na nakompleto. Map the floor. I'm trying to find my daughter's house. I don't think this is the right one. Oh dear, could you open up? I can't hear you so well through the door. Tingnan natin guys kung ano siya, anomaly siya guys.
Don't leave. I just need directions.
Wala akong tiwala talaga guys pagpapasok ng mga tao sa bahay namin. Wala akong tiwala guys. Alright, if then something bad happens, I'm hunting this. Okay. I don't give a single shit. Hanapin ko lang ang ating map para mapag-map na tayo. Wait lang. Ano to? Ito na ang ating map guys. Okay. Uy! Wait lang, pula tayo dun ah. Sino yun nangahabol na yun? Guys, ang dumi ng ano, saig. May smigol. Okay, check. Guys, tapos na. Ano sabi niya? Sino to?
He gets nervous around strangers.
What the heck? No, bro. Nakita niyo yan? Ayun oh. Ayun oh. Bro. Nasa backyard ko siya. Ayaw.
Fine.
Doon. Guys, ang tagal mag-6. Okay, meron na tayong bagong task. Kailangan natin mag-clean ng parents room. Saan yung parents room natin? Ito, parents room. Okay. Kaya natin dito. Guys, ang daming damit na nagkalat. Tayo na magliligpit nito. Umalis ang ating parents. Okay. Check. Okay na.
Don't ignore me. I can see you.
Ano yan? Ang problema mo? Ano yan?
Your camera is pointing at my house. No, it's
Pointing at our car.
Open the door now. We need to talk about this.
Ayoko nga, ba't ko
I'm not
bubuksan?
leaving until we deal with this.
Guys, papasukin ko ba siya? Hindi niya naman kailangan ng tulong eh. Pag kailangan lang ng tulong, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Okay, remove spider webs. Naku, dami kaya pala may mga naglitawan. Okay, 5. Naku, dami. Oh, paano ako makakakuha ng sanity nga pala? Eh, police.
We're searching the neighborhood for an escaped prisoner. He was seen nearby about an hour ago.
Wala akong alam dyan.
do?
Open the door. I need to check around your house to make sure he's not hiding here.
Hey! Hey.
Fine. Stay inside and hope he doesn't pick this house.
Ayusin mo natin itong mga cobwebs. 3, 4, isa pa. Oh! Kaya pala may malaking ano. Kaya naman pala. Wait lang. Hindi ko mahanap yung isa guys. Hey yo! Ito pala, nakita ko na.
Choreography. Right now?
Guys, gusto niya sumayaw dito sa loob ng bahay. Sure ako walang ganun. Hey yo! Loh, guys, sumasayaw siya guys. Alis dito boy! Wash the dishes. Naku, okay. Guys, ang sipag natin guys. Okay, check. Gulo ng bahay. Yun! Hey! Ano to, vampira?
Could I step inside?
Why?
I've been out in the cold for hours. May I use your kitchen to
Ayaw.
just it?
Nope.
A shame.
Wala akong tiwala sa kanya eh. Okay, ngayon, mag-ayos tayo ng kitchen. Paano ka ayusin to? Ito. Okay. Nice. At last one. Ito.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you get her? Her name is Luna.
Anong problema mo? Guys, parang
I love her black fur so much.
ayoko.
Fine.
Guys, ayoko talaga guys. Ay na, bago tayong customer. Sino to? Ito, mukhang kaibigan to. Yes.
We're tracking an
Unscaped alien.
organism.
An alien?
Hey.
Open the door. I need to ask you a few
No, bro.
questions inside.
Anong alien? Walang alien
Concerns
dito.
yours.
Men in black. Walang alien dito, sir. Mr. Sir.
Fine. Stay alert tonight.
Walang alien, sir. Sorry, sir. Okay, fix the fuse box, water plants, clean your room, wash the bathroom. Tayo na natin to. Water plants. Natumba. Okay, kahit natumba na. Wait lang. Hey, wait lang.
Your water is probably running brown by now.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Gabi? Nang gabi? Wala.
Fine.
Wala.
Don't say we didn't warn you.
Wala pa papasukin dito. Dalawang Hey! Saan na yun?
Neighbor reported smoke coming from your oven.
Oven?
Open the door. I need to check it myself.
Walang problema yung oven. Hey! Nakita kita sa camera. Nakita kita.
Place burned down.
Nakita
That's
kita sa
on
camera,
you.
boy. Next, clean your room, wash the bathroom, fix the fuse box. Hey,
I'm home.
naku po, 6 na.
You're okay. Thank God. You made it through the night, but I see you didn't earn enough allowance money.
Hindi ko na kompleto.
I'm not mad.
Paparusahan ba ako?
You know what this means. No reward this time. We'll try again tomorrow.
Hey,